Tatalo pa. 30 kills na.
Hindi! Gago, hindi ako nagbebenta, tol. Talagang
Hindi,
wala.
hindi ka rin. Tangina mo, hindi ka. Si Aika.
Ay,
Oo.
akala ko, ako eh.
No, like, nakaka-bad trip ko.
Iba yung laro ni Aika.
Parang, tingin ko nga, parang boosted lang sa Ascendant eh.
Like, wait nga, lipat tayo.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Inatak ka po.
Bro,
Para wala makapasok.
so, ano kasi, kagabi, nag-jet ako. Nag one game pa kami kagabi, Renji. Para lang sa kanya. Eh, syempre, alam mo naman. Para hindi lumano.
Mid. Mid. Pero na rin kasi kung paano maglaro. Nakaka-umi. Mid.
Reloading. Spike down A.
Pala akong TV.
Reloading.
Enemy spotted mid.
One enemy remaining.
So,
There.
naka-30 kills ako kagabi, bro.
Spike
Jet.
spotted A.
Putang, alam mo yung ano, yung gusto, kinikerry mo na, so bad, man.
No, bro. I still have
Like,
things to
like-
do.
Kunyari
Weapon?
ano bang mapa, Haven. Sa B-site, alam mo yung
My bad, I was
ano,
on
default
Discord.
sa left side.
Guys.
Aren't you forgetting an I in your name, bro?
So,
Yeah, I am.
Tanga,
Don't
ingay
remind
nila.
me.
Default. And
Like,
then,
that's
dalawa,
a little
dalawa,
Yeah, I know. I looked at it too. I was like,
dalawang
ain't no
babae
fucking
na
way they
iwan,
got
ang
the
alam ko.
TMI.
Dalawang babae na iwan.
Oh.
And then, yung isa, pumapalag yung isa naman, si Aika, like, nagla-lurk.
Hold on a minute. They have bot?
Nagla-lurk. Eh, pinag-ray na namin. Siyempre,
Have on a minute.
ako jet na ako eh. Like, hindi ka man lang ba makikibo na kailangan mo sumama dahil siya lang din yung may blind? Dalawa lang sila ni Omen, sabi ko. Hindi siya kumikibo, men. Like, nagla-lurk lang.
Used to be, man.
Kaya nga. Tapos marami pang laro yun. Hindi nga na-utilize yung skills eh.
Fuck! You still bottom, man.
Hindi.
One enemy remaining. Team A.
Nice, good job.
Like, nakaka-bad trip.
And that's how
Kaya like ano, never ko nagagamitin yung mga yung ano ko, yung high rank, never na. Kung alam kong placement, okay lang. Pero yung mga may rank na platinum, hindi ko na ako nagagamitin sa kanya.
Saka, chamber gusto niya gamitin. Tapos ayaw i-utilize yung pinakamagandang skill, yung TP.
Yung TP tapos yung ano, yung parang alarm bot, ang tawag dun?
Trademark.
Basta yung ganun. Hindi niya ginagamit, bro. Like, mas maganda nga gamitin yung dahil nakaka-clear ka eh.
Guy
Nakaka-clear
walks
ka
up.
eh.
Ewan ko ba dun?
Heavy pushing there. 2 elbow.
Hey, Omen. My eyes.
Spike planted.
Not ready yet.
Last player standing.
You win
Holy.
this.
Nice shot.
On TNT.
Gagi na naman tayo sa left.
Oo, dun sa ano, cage niya.
Okay, we
Wala
know
ako
the
sa
drill.
cage.
Stick to your roles and we'll crush.
Andun na pala sa Gedli.
Entigar.
Hindi siya nagseseryoso.
Hindi. Tapos yung isang beses naglaro tayo, yung kakabili lang niya yung ano.
Oh, yun nga yung naka-main account ako. Ayun
Ano ba
yung nag-main account ako. Oh, naka-main account ako, bro. Kasi every time maglalaro ng ng main account ko, seryoso talaga ako. Like hindi ako nagbibiro. Seryoso ako sa
Kasama nga
rank.
pala ako nun. Naalala ko na.
5 ban pa tayo nun eh. Tangina, bad trip ako. Haven pa nga yung map.
Shadows traveling.
Ako rin na.
Barrier created.
Grabe.
Iwan ko na yun ah.
Wag.
Last player standing.
Dito, Sky.
Mid.
Mid top.
Spike planted.
I think you saved.
Pero ano, may kills ka eh, tas 1-7 ka.
Anti.
You can still buy.
Once more into battle.
Yep.
I'm not tired. Are you?
Yung ano, kung hindi lang natalo yung 30 kill ko kagabi, may nakasama siya, boy, sinasabi sa'yo, magpa-plat 3 yun. Nag-plat 1 lang dahil natalo.
Kailan pa yun ang may naglaro kami nila bunch, nag-ano lang, unrated.
I'm in two, bro.
Nag-AFK pa siya. Ayun yung kasama ko kagabi. Nag-AFK pa.
Hey, one's still top.
Walang Sergio Isa dyan, pal.
One enemy remaining.
Isa.
Spike down B.
Stealing sight.
Good job, Omen.
Good job, Omen. Putang ina mo. Ay,
I feel the strain.
Relax.
Block it out, Omen.
2 kills ako doon. 80 damage ko. Ay, isa ay. Sorry.
80 rin ako, 80
Isa nga, tumatalon eh. Tumatalon sa mid eh.
Nakita ko yun, nagulat ako eh.
Nahuluan ka mo eh. Nahuluan si Kupal, tatalon eh. Jet main na ako guys, hindi na ako Reyna main.
I will find you.
Napangitan na ako kay Reyna. Tangina mo, double pick bro. Tatlo mid.
Gagamitin kong cover yung ano, yung wall.
I know exactly.
Grenade!
On hiding.
Oh.
Last player standing.
Be at peace.
Come on.
One enemy
Sky
remaining.
kill.
Mid,
My ultimate
mid.
is ready.
Here to market.
Your duty is not over.
For a moment, I saw them.
Planting B.
Okay.
B!
Spike planted.
Hintay mo siya. Ay, hindi. Sama mo siya. Sama mo! Ay, nandito.
Cage trigger.
May wall. Long.
Wall raised.
Pushing right.
Last player standing.
Pupush.
Hey,
Di nagpupush yung rate natin.
Akala ko, Fed. Kaya ko na stick.
Going back in.
May butas.
Ikaw pala yung cypher.
Ako sa'yo. Kahit par. Bakit?
Hindi. Okay lang yung in-stick mo. Kala ko yung walang butas.
Hindi, pabay sinabi ko eh. Long
Nangyari
pala.
maganda eh. Main.
It's you and me.
Ako na uli. What the fuck? Wala kayong smoke.
Bantayan mo, gago.
Your trial.
Shadows traveling.
Ay, dalawa na kami.
Reloading.
one enemy remaining.
Ano,
Spike down B.
Wala.
May ult.
Reloading.
Reload.
Nice, 3.
Saan yun? Munti ka naman namatay! Nasa likod ko!
Oo, ako unang na-contact.
Remember, they're only human.
Ba't
Kako-
huwag mo lalayuan yung ano mo, tripwire mo? Tinatapakan lang nila, bro. I-play mo yung tripwire mo, men.
Wala naman silang ano eh, wala naman silang pangbasag eh. Dito.
Oo, wala. Yung aso lang, yun lang.
Tinataasan
Tapos
ko,
yung TP ni Omen.
tinataasan ko lang. Para pag nag-aso, hindi maano ng doggy.
Shishi doggy.
Chichi doggy.
A.
Meron din ko.
Basta.
Cover going out.
Wala.
One enemy remaining.
Lurker.
Go, Raze, go.
Flawless.
Nice.
Oh, Lord.
Reloading.
Their backs will be towards at least one of us.
Buta nga, hindi ko pa to ina-add si Aika dito sa account na to eh.
Ano nga code ba yun dati? Ano pangalan?
Trinity. Nalalo na.
Yung pinakauna pa. Yung pinakaunang account.
Yo.
Trinity kasama yung ano, yung baba, yung kay Kim, yung babae, Kim.
I mean, ano ba niya?
Gone, buddy.
A.
Reloading. Satchel out.
Shadows traveling.
They're from mid still.
I know exactly where you are.
That's mid.
Scatter. Shadows traveling. Annihilated.
I don't know where Omen ulted to.
Oh, guys.
Oh, okay.
Where's Spike?
Market.
Walang shield, walang shield. Tumalon.
One enemy remaining. Spike down B.
Come on, boy!
Ang na nanonood sa camera, namatay
Damn
na
right
ako.
we're crushing it.
Piniping ko nga para sa'yo eh. Kasi nakita ko tatlo sila dun eh.
I need this.
Eh, di ako, ayoko magpaala nandun ako. Sorry, par. Par, sorry.
Panalo naman. Sige, yaman na. Pwede na.
Pagbigyan.
Makikita kasi na ano eh. Yung position ko eh.
Eh kaso open ka dito eh.
Hindi, wala. Nakita ko tatlo nga dito.
Eh.
Cover going out.
Mid.
Here.
Mid.
They're in house.
Many mid.
One enemy remaining.
My ultimate is ready.
More mid.
Blinding.
One.
Baka elbow.
Baka nasa ano natin.
Dito lang kanina.
120. Let's go in Diva box. Nice.
Nice! Double digit.
Woo! We got this.
Tauna ka lang naman malakas. Ay, mali.
Hindi na ako tatrust to yun. Naka-double digit na, all goods na.
Naumpisa ka lang. Tangin na mo.
Okay na yan, basta double digit na.
Tauna lang naman.
Okay nga lang. At least di mo na ako tatrust to yun. Naka-double digit na eh.
Buti na lang nung naglaro kami ni Bunch. Hindi kami nagpag unrated lang.
Bakit?
Wala lang eh.
Dito.
Cover going out.
Nakarina pa yata siya nun.
Hold up, mid.
Shadows
Breaking
traveling.
market door.
Hindi na break, hindi na break.
Merong mid. Wala na, nahulog na ako sa iyong mga ngiti.
Enemy.
Shadows traveling.
Ayun, ako ng bala. Ay,
Bago, di namatay.
One enemy remaining.
Here. Stealing some charges.
120, 120. Night mo. Night mo.
Wala akong
120.
TP eh.
Ay, wala lang. Putang ina.
Dead.
TP dapat ako. Pinipindot yung
Pinagla-
TP to. Ano, ayaw.
Last round in the
Naglarawan ka,
half.
gago.
We cannot keep our goods up.
Sumasayaw, siyasayawan ko. Sumasayaw ako, Gar. Side to side.
pre,
Ano sa ano eh.
ang kunat ng aim ko ngayon, pre.
Ito super saiyan na yung Siege oh.
Take
Ang
out
ina, puro
Cypress Creek.
ulo ah. Ang talap.
Wrong A. Ay, mid.
Putang ina mo, mid ang puta.
Cover going out.
That's mid.
Gulat ako.
and me.
Ako na naman. Natipi ako sa taas.
Nice. Nice.
Unimportant.
Spike
Nice.
planted.
Cover
I'm in
going
rumors
out.
though.
One enemy remaining.
3 killed.
Oh, they're just better.
Putang ina. Defuse.
This is our home. Satchel out. Satchel out.
Hindi pa ako mamatay sa trap.
Switching sides.
Snack time.
Ba't mo kasi inisbog? Ipatay ko na yun eh.
For me.
Mault ako eh.
Cypher lang halos gumagawa.
Tama na, I'm smurfing bro.
Sa kabila.
Ah, sabi si bro, intro lang yan si Renji.
Masaya na sa double digit yun eh.
Kaya nga, hanggang dyan na lang yan sa 10.
Hanggang 10 ka lang daw, Gar. So, oh.
Okay lang, okay lang.
What the fuck, dude?
Basta naka-double digit, good na ako.
You're distracted now.
Nice kill.
I'm dead.
Patay na, Gar. Uy! Plak na. Oh my god. Timing na.
Last player standing.
Na lang kailangan ko dun eh.
One way cypher, lugi tayo. Hindi marunong cypher natin na
Stand
ganun.
tall. We are Valorant. We
Mismo
are
bumbot.
fighters.
May bumbot. Hindi siya kumuha ng bumbot. Naka ano ba siya?
Hindi, tsaka...
Ghost?
Hindi ko napansin. Hindi, naka-classic.
Hindi siya nag ano? Bumbot?
Naka-classic
Sachet.
pero
Nag-nade siya malayo,
Ah,
hindi yung...
May one sachet.
sila-chilit niya yung ano, yung one way.
Hindi nga umalis nung nag-pop yung one way.
Let me find you again. Got you.
Cover going out. Careful.
I'm blinded.
ISO.
That guy has a fucking Bucky? He's closer.
Isang right click mo lang dyan muna kay ISO. O pawalain mo. Mawawala na rin niya. Huwag lang mag-pick. TP ah. Left.
Last player standing.
Likod. Nag-flank. Push sila sabi.
Reggie, makinig ka naman. Sinasabi kong lip eh.
I got your backs. Just, you know, from the
Hindi
front.
ba yung kaya, kaya baka mag-pick eh.
Daw, sumura ako.
Ay. Pipick mo ba yung mid top?
Oo. Dito nag-ano yung si ISO.
Here.
Gusto mo, i-cam ko muna.
Wag na, hindi kailangan ng cam.
Satchel out.
Wala.
Meron yan dyan. Baka Sky.
Yan, nice be.
Yeah, Sky yan.
Reloading. Enemy spotted mid.
Yun na, wala.
Charlie.
Ayun yan, likod niya na.
Reloading.
Timing. Makakuha pa ng bundle.
Last player standing. Spike down A.
God. Ang layo ng aim niya, gagawin. Ito yung aim niya, dito.
If you must fall, then fall near me.
Tara. Pasok ako. Tay.
Here.
Smoke.
Here.
Smoke.
Sige.
Kung kaya,
Here.
blind ka dito.
Ay, sorry.
Gago.
Sage wall.
Here.
Wall at saka smoke natin yan.
I will rip the light from them. Shadows traveling. Cover going out.
Picked elbow.
Blocking sight. Reloading.
Not ready
10
yet.
seconds smoke.
Elbow.
Last player standing.
35.
Dangarang kanan masyado.
No one beats my firepower. I got this.
So you cry here on cruise control. You know what I like to do? Get these boots in here, baby. And when you like to sweat, there's no better place to go
Gold
than
na lang ako
Spend
next
to
round.
Win.
Delay ako.
Here.
Still 145.
Who's 145?
I saw.
Shadows traveling.
Sniper, market. Sniper market.
Kailangan na natin mag-push.
Night. My ult's ready.
Cover going out.
Second on the left.
One enemy remaining.
Mid
One mid.
last
She's
mid.
mid. Watch out up. He's up.
30 seconds left.
He's already boba.
Smoke, baba.
Cover going out.
Slide na sa
Last
left
player
na.
standing.
No,
I've got
plant.
your trail.
Sarayan mo lang, tapos TP ka.
Iwasan ko yung 64.
Yung TNT. Gawin mo sana doon magano eh. So, isarayan mo muna ang blind mo, tapos TP ka sa likod niya.
Yun din naiisip ko eh. Kaso kukuha dapat ako
If
timing
they
ng-
try something,
Or doon sa may tents. TP doon sa tents.
Pwede rin. My bad.
Oh, good, oh, good. Wala silang op, ya. I mean, pwede pa rin bumili.
Kaya. Renji, ano na?
Hanggang 10, 11 ka na lang ba? Renji,
I
ano
will
na?
hold up the sky.
are we
Hindi.
going to the spike?
Market.
Shadows traveling.
One side.
Wait lang, di abot smokes ko.
Shadows traveling.
I know exactly where you are.
Tang inang to. Sa likod. Paano siya nasa likod pa rin?
Cover going out.
One enemy remaining.
On side.
Smoke. On.
Nice.
Si Diana!
I'm scared.
They want to
Fuck
dance?
is that?
Hindi ko nakuha yung ano.
I'll
Sayang.
leave.
Okay lang.
Someone help me, please. Oh Lord, have mercy.
Vete a la vera!
Come on.
Mala!
This motherfucker.
Back up.
Oh shit, not the spike again.
Ah, but this fucking bitch,
Cover
bro.
going out.
Tangin lang, taas boy.
Nice. No one here.
Your duty is not over.
Reloading.
So what I miss?
Don't take this other shit. Uh-oh.
Satchel it.
Get it.
It's you and me.
You get entry by satcheling it.
Tanga yung ISO eh, sayang. Man,
Putang
hindi
ina mo.
nanood.
Hindi niya winol.
Caution here. Enemy spotted mid.
Thirty seconds left.
Hindi clear.
10-9.
Last player standing.
Oh no. Plenty bro. Mala!
Even with numbers, anything can still happen. Remember that.
Raze, you can maybe nade here.
Here.
Somewhere here.
I
Here.
did. I think he pulled the strip back.
Ah, okay. Really though? I don't think so. Pwede tayong entry kung ano.
Tara, tara.
I need to blow
TP ka na lang din. Just put wall here please. We're gonna end.
Shadows traveling. Shadows traveling.
Wait, one way.
Spike down B.
That's all you need, that's all you need.
I dropped the spike.
TP.
TP na ako eh. Ay, ulti pala yun. Dalawa. Two backside.
Saan ka nag-TP? Saan ka nag-ult?
Dito.
Here. Not ready yet.
Bakit dyan? Hindi, TP. Yung regular TP lang.
Ay, hindi ko ginawa.
Cover going out. Our carrier is dead.
Spike down.
Putang ina mo.
Spawn.
Bakit pinatipi mo na lang?
No more med.
Last player standing.
The fuck?
Thirty seconds left.
Not there.
Team Ace.
They will
Let's go.
study
Alam mo na nga nang galing dun
and
eh.
then they will die. Where are you?
Takers, ah.
Blocking sight.
Shadows traveling.
Bomb buddy out. Reloading.
Blinding.
No, tumid.
Grenade.
Masyado kong dikit sa wall. Huwag mo didikit sa wall yung aim mo.
Cover going out.
Satchel up. Satchel up.
Stay there.
Last player standing. Spike down A.
Dalawa elbow.
Foolish.
Elbow! Benji! Lakasan mo yung ano namin.
Akala buhay pa yung ISO.
Just let them try to catch me.
Yan din yung ISO, andito rin eh.
Kasi nandito siya kanina, di ba, sa may mid. Yung last scene.
Tanga nandito.
Here.
Last scene.
Hindi naman kami nagvo-voice all eh. Sinasabi namin sa'yo, boy. Click ka, boy. Nakasan mo yung volume namin.
Gago, naka 100%.
200 mo. Pwede naman 200 yan eh.
Na ano ko, natataranta lang.
I have the spike.
Enemy spotted mid.
Huwag nyo na. No, don't pick.
Reloading.
Mag-push na. Kailangan natin mag-push.
Cover going out. Shadows traveling.
Uy, nasa akin.
Reload.
I have spike. Reloading. Reloading.
No charge cam.
Here comes the party. My ult's ready.
One enemy remaining.
Kill.
Hey!
Spike planted. My
Good luck.
ultimate is ready.
Pick mo.
For a moment.
Last player standing.
40.
Hindi, mali yung raise dun.
Turbo.
Hindi nag-pick agad nung ano eh.
Blind siya, ang... Nerd, GG to. Hindi ginagamit yung wall. Putang ina, passive yung wall.
Clutch.
Fuck.
Ka-entry na ako eh.
Match point.
They think they know pain. They can't begin to comprehend it.
Passive yung wall ni Sage, bro.
Pwede nga kasi isang angle na lang titignan natin eh.
Oo, yung angle na lang ito na lang titignan natin, oh. Tara, push natin yung A, No matter what, push natin.
I will be their
Smoke
nightmare.
dito. Isa lang muna. Ayaw mo muna yung ano, pag nakapasok tayo.
Bomb buddy out. Reloading.
Blind. Ano ba?
Straight!
I have the
Spike
spike.
down A.
Dalawa tayo sa Brighton Park.
Kaya nga.
Oops.
One enemy remaining.
B player.
For you. Spike planted.
I think I heard him playing, probably.
I know exactly where you are.
He's in.
Last player standing.
Dying
lang.
would have sucked.
One more.
Let them try to get through me.
Oh man.
I can buy pitch.
I need this.
Sige, got it.
Thank you.
Lagay ka na lang ng trap dito.
Here.
Pang ano. Trap mo. Magano ka, magplank ka lang ano. Sniper. Wait ka lang sa flank. Nagpa-flank sila eh.
Okay.
Lagay ka ng trap din dito sa B.
Here.
Pag ano, sa beginning.
Cover going out.
It's you and me.
Blinding sight.
Stealing sight. Shadows traveling.
120, 120.
I've got your trail.
Sirain nyo, sira mo.
One side.
Message sent.
120 ah. Nice one.
Remove. My ultimate
Hindi
is
pa isa pa?
ready.
Dalawa.
I think one's flank. One flank.
Nandun.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Pag nag-ulti ba yung ISO? Magbaback to zero yung ano?
Oo.
Ah.
Kung ano yung, kunyari
Defenders win.
nabawasan mo bago siya mag-ult.
Mhm.
And then nag-ult siya, puno uli